everybody and welcome. Today's video we are unboxing our June Boxycharm Base box. This was sent to me complimentary along with the premium and the luxe box, so I will have videos go up for all of those boxes, give you guys my thoughts, my opinions, all of that. I do purchase the base box as well, so when my box arrives I will do a dedicated video for you all on that, as well as I will put PR versus paid up against each other. Y'all seem to really like those videos, so if you are new here, hi, hello, and welcome. My name's Rhonda, and over here we always embrace the hot mess because it's a judgment-free, drama-free, stress-free zone. Y'all, I have not drank all my coffee, so there is no caffeine flowing through this body, and man, I can tell. Anyways, let's go ahead and jump on in. Okay, so just real quick, going over my makeup that I do have on today. I'm trying out the Fenty Beauty. This is the Pro Filter Hydrating Longwear Foundation. It's in the shade 260. And I feel like it's a little too pale for me, and so I feel very off right now. As far as what is on my eyes, I do have the Luster palette by Alter Ego. This is actually a dupe for the very expensive Pat McGrath Divine Rose palette. This palette's like 20 bucks. Code HOTMESS saves you 10% if you're interested in picking that up. I actually have a dedicated video, and is it a dupe or just a waste of money, with this palette for you guys as well. Okay, so a little information about the Boxycharm Base box. This box is $25 a month. You do get to customize one of the items in this box, and you receive around $125 worth of goodies. Now, I know a lot of y'all are always interested in what the weight of my box is because you like to kind of compare yours. Now, keep in mind, I do not get to customize my box at all because this is sent in PR, and when they do send it in PR, they send all of them in one box to kind of save on shipping. So I do have my mail scale here. And this box comes to 1 pound, 1.1 ounce on my personal mail scale. When we jump right into the box, I will say one of the items I am seeing was one I was actually kind of excited to see because I hadn't seen any like sneak peeks on this product or variation whatsoever. So we always get a card in here, and this one they always have a theme for the month, and it is Dare to Dazzle. On the other side, you do have a list of all the products that are in the box, as well as the retail value and a little information on each item. So the first item that I do see in here is by Glam Glow. This is the Super Cleanse Clearing Cream to Foam Cleanser. I told you all when I was doing sneak peeks, I'm like, oh my gosh, so many C's. So anywho, this is a full-size product, and it does have a retail value of $32. It says it is an advanced cleanser with a powerful blend of 3 charcoals to detoxify the skin by removing pore clogging debris, excess oil, and face makeup. So I'm always excited to see the Glam Glow products in our boxes. I really wish that they would put in that one, it's one of my favorite Glam Glow products. It's like 2 pumps, you rub it in, and it like bubbles up on your face, and you literally like feel the tingle where it feels like it's pulling the gunk out of your face. I would love to see that back in a BoxyCharm. I think it was available a couple years ago and like POPUP, and I'm like, oh, I just want to see that in one of the boxes. So anyways, that is the first item. The next item, and one of you all actually told me when I was doing one of my videos, this was in our Ipsy. This is the Ethology Overnight Lip Mask, and I said, man, that looks really familiar. Maybe I received it in another, you know, past Boxycharm, and y'all were like, no, it was just in your Ipsy X. I'm like, duh, okay. So thank you for paying better attention than I do. This is the Exfoliating, Hydrating, and Smoothing Lip Mask. I love these types of products just because I want all the hydration possible for my lips. This does have a retail value of $19, and it says this lip mask is here to give your lips that extra smoochable edge. This miracle worker will rescue your lips, boosting hydration and leaving them soft, supple, and smiling. So absolutely happy to receive that. I mean, in all honesty, I don't wear makeup every single day, but the one thing that I do always put on and repeat throughout the day is lip balm, so I'm always happy to receive those. The next item in here is by Jacka Black, and this is a Hydrate primer. Now this is a product I did not know was something we would be seeing in our base box. A little information about the primer is it's a moisturizer that'll help your makeup last longer. The Hydrate primer will make your skin feel soft, hydrated, and ready for your base, and it does have a retail value of $20. Now, I'll be honest with you, because of another product I received in a different subscription box or in the premium box, I did not open this particular primer. So I wanted to try the other one out as well. So I will eventually get around to this and do like a full face of subscription makeup or what have you, or just playing around in makeup. I always like to do that. So that is the next item. I can tell you that pretty much every time I put on my makeup, I have been loving the Jacka Black Liquid Corrector 2.0. This was one that we received in a past Boxycharm, and I really did enjoy it. I use it all the time underneath my eyes to just kind of help like even out the color and everything as far as that goes. So the next item in here is by NARS. Now this was one of the choice items. This is in the shade Dulce Vita, and this is the Velvet Matte Lipstick. So a little information about this: it does have a retail value of $27. It said is a cult favorite lipstick, instantly delivers the impact of matte lipstick, long lasting, non-drying formula, enriched with vitamin C and emollients. And right off the bat, the color I thought was going to be like, ooh, way too dark, to be honest with y'all. But it's actually not as dark as I was expecting, so I do really like that. That is something that I can definitely get down with. The only reason I didn't put it on today was because I was worried it wasn't going to really match my eye look. As far as that, not that I really went ham on the eye look, but you know what I mean. So anyways, I think that shade is really pretty, and I do like that. And I mean, it says it's got the vitamin E and everything in there. Right now I'm trying to keep my lips as hydrated as possible, so I'm not ready to like test it out just yet. My lips are still healing. So moving on to the last item in the box. This was one that I was really hoping to receive, and this is by Touch and Soul. This is the Touch and Soul Pretty Filter Glowdient makeup palette. I don't know the name of it really. I'm like, what? Anyways, it does have a retail value of $24. I'm lying. It has a retail value of $34. I got a little sidetracked. Look how pretty this case is. It's like a nice, like, it's plasticky, but it's kind of like a bougie looking case as far as that goes. This is so beautiful. I've already been in it. I was already playing and swatching with it. Now, I told you all I thought it was so neat. It kind of reminded me of like Kevin Aquan, you know, as far as everything not being like broke up. It's like all right on there. And if you want, you can definitely just swipe right across and then look at that. It's not beautiful? Or, you know, go back and forth and make up a different, more bronzy color. Or I was playing around and you can go into each individual shade. It's kind of hard to swatch a highlighter. Hopefully y'all can see that, but aren't those shades just beautiful? I'm like, oh my gosh, they're soft and creamy feeling, and I just thought they just blended out so well. So I wanted to wait and just apply them. I'm just gonna kind of, a lot of it comes off, so I'm just gonna go ahead and apply some up on my cheeks. Isn't that pretty? I mean, it's a highlight, so it's going to show like if you have any like texture, but I don't feel like it shows a ton, you know what I mean? Like, I typically don't necessarily always bring it down that low just because I have larger pores, but isn't that beautiful? Gotta love it. Just have to love it. I love this. I was so excited to see this in my box. So let me go ahead. I will total everything up for you all. Okay, so everything in this box for $25 a month. That's what's free shipping, of course, tax. Came to $132 grand total. My thoughts on this box, honestly, I'm pretty happy with it. What I do really wish that I had received was the OPV eyeshadow palette. Like, I know it's been in Boxy pop-up and it's been available over there multiple times throughout the year, and I wanted it, but I didn't end up going through and picking it up, and I was so hoping that it was in this box. Now, I still have another chance. I could potentially receive it in my paid for box, so I'm hopeful for that. But the other item that I was really hoping for was this palette. Once I saw like the swatches and I saw it kind of unveiled, and I just think it's so pretty. I think it's gorgeous on the skin, and I'm really happy with it. Like, this to me is my favorite product in the box. Now, I'll be honest, I'll be real with y'all, this is not my favorite box that I've ever received from Boxy, but I do feel that at the end of the day, for $25, this is some pretty good stuff. You know, of course, there's a couple things I need to try out as far as this primer goes, but everything else is nice. Not my favorite, but definitely not a bad box. Definitely products that I will be using. If you are curious about the variation, it is C2106029-BA for base box. So I am going to hop off. I'm going to go ahead and film my premium unboxing as well as my luxe unboxing. This is my premium box. It's so tiny compared to, like, right? I was so confused, but you know, I definitely did get to try one of the items in here, and I have some thoughts and everything. I do want to give a shout out to Paul Pet Box. I do have the unboxing coming up with my Boxycharm pop-up haul. Y'all, this month's box is too cute. If you have some bougie little pooches, you are going to really enjoy this subscription for your dogs. I told you all, which again, I know that video is probably not up yet, but if you do go to their website, they actually also offer items for cats, dogs, birds, fish, reptiles, hamsters. Like, there's stuff for, you know, anybody's pet over there, but the subscription is geared towards the puppuccinos. So anyways, thank you again to Boxycharm for sending this box my way. Let me know y'all's thoughts down below. Did you enjoy this box? Would you want this particular variation? I'll be real with y'all, this was not the choice item that I picked, and I'm really wanting that eyeshadow palette. The more I see it and the more looks that I see created with it, I'm like, I want the palette. Anyways, friends, until next time, as always, check me out on my second channel, Hot Miss Mama Vlogs, where I do a lot of plus size cover girl fashion hauls over there. I'm on TikTok and Instagram at HotmessMomma4. And until next time, I hope you have a wonderful, beautiful, and blessed day. Kisses from Kentucky. Mwah! Bye.